bis na kalungkutan. Tama ang iyong sinabi na ako ay masamang alipin sapagkat hindi ko sinunod ang utos ng aking Panginoon. Bumalik siya at dinala ang sunog na tinapay kay Satanas. Sinabi ng aking Panginoon, o sinabi daw ni Job, na hindi ka na muling kakain ng kanyang tinapay sapagkat ito ay pinagbabawal sa iyo. Ibinigay niya ito upang malaman mo na hindi ako nagkulang sa pagtugon sa iyong kahilingan. Nang marinig ito ni Satanas, ipinabalik niya ang alipin sa akin at sinabi, kung paano sunog ang tinapay na ito, gayon din ang iyong katawan na aking susunugin sa lalong madaling panahon. Sumagot ako, gawin mo ang iyong nais at isakatuparan ang iyong balak. Ako ay handang magtiis o handang tiisin ang lahat ng iyong ipapataw sa akin. Nang marinig ito ng masama, umakyat siya hanggang sa harapan ng alahaya at nanumpa na bibigyan siya ng kapangyarihan sa lahat ng aking pag-aari. Matapos mabigyan ng kapangyarihan, agad niyang kinuha ang lahat ng aking kayamanan. Ayun. So nagkaroon ng ng agreement doon sa sinabi dito sa statement ni Job. So medyo may kaunting twist do sa kwento na nasa New Testament o dito sa mga bagong labas ngayon. Chapter 3 po tayo. For I have 130,000 sheep, and of this I separated 7,000 for the clothing of orphans and widows, and of needy and sick one. I had a herd of 800 dogs who watch my sheep, and besides these 200 to watch my house. And I have 9 miles working for the whole city and sheep to carry goods. And I set them into every city and to the villages, to the feeble and sick, and to those that were unfortunate. And I have 340,000 nomadic asses. And of this, I set aside 500, and the offspring of this I ordered to he sold, and the proceeds to be given to the poor and the needy. For from all the lands the poor came to me to meet me. For the four doors of my house were open, each being in charge of watchmen who had to see whatever were any people coming asking alms, and whatever they would see me sitting at one of the doors, so that they could leave through the other and take whatever they needed. I also had 30 immovable tables sit at the hours of the stranger alone, and I also had 12 tables spread for the windows. And if anyone came asking for alms, he found food on the table to take all he needed. And I turned nobody away to leave my door with an empty stomach. I, I also had 3,500 yokes of oxen, and I selected of these 500 and had them tend to the plowing. And with this, I had done all the works in each field by those who would take it in the charge and the income of their crops. I laid aside for the poor on their table. I also had 50 bakeries from which I sent to the table for the poor, and I had slaves selected for their service. These were also some strangers who saw my goodwill. They wishes to serve as waiter themselves. Other being distressed and unable to obtain a living came with the request saying, "We pray you, since we also can fill this office of water and have no position, have pity upon us and advance money to us in order that we may go into the great cities and sell merchandise. And the surplus of our profit we may give as help to the poor. Then shall we return to you your own money." And then I heard this. I was glad that they should take this al- altogether from me for the husbandry of charity for the poor. And with the willing heart, I give them what they wanted, and I accepted their writing bond, but would not take any other security from them except the writing documents. And they went abroad and give to me to time for as far as they were successful. Frequently, however, some of their goods were lost on the road or on the sea, or they would he rob of them. Then they would come and say, "We pray you, act generously towards us in order that we may see how we can restore to you your own." And when I heard this, I had a sympathy with them and handed to them their bond, and open having read to before them, tore it up and released them of their dim, saying to them, "What I have consecrated for the benefits of the poor, I shall not take from you." And so I accepted nothing from my debtor. And when a man which cheerful heart came to me saying, "I am not in need to be compelled to he, a paid worker for the poor, but I wish to serve, then needy in at your table," and he consisted to work, and he did his share. So I give them his wage, nevertheless, and I went home rejoicing. And when he did not wish to take it, I forced him to do so, saying, "I know that you are a laboring man who looks for and wait for his wage, and you must take it." Never did I differ paying the wage of the high hireling or any other, nor keep back in my house for a single evening his hire that was due to him. This what milked the cow, and he weighed signally to the passers-by that they should take their share. For the milk poured in such plenty that it curdled into butter on the hills, and by the roadside, and by the rocks, and the hills that cattle lay, which had given birth to their offspring. For my servant grow early, keeping the meat of the windows on and the four, and dividing into small pieces. For they would course and say, "Oh, that we had of his flesh, that we could be satisfied." Although I was very kind to them, also had 6 harps and 6 slaves to play the harps, and so also a sitara, a 10-string harp, and struck it during the day. And I took the sitara, and the windows responded after their meals, and with the musical instrument reminded them of Alahaya, that they should give praise to Abayahawa. And when my female slaves would murmur, then I took to the musical instrument and play as much as they would have done for their wage, and give them respite from their labor and sign. And chapter 3. Basahin po natin sa Tagalog. Ako ay nagmamay-ari ng 130,000 tupa. 7 sa mga ito ay itinalaga ko upang ang kanilang balat ay maging kasuotan ng mga ulila at biyuda, may hirap at may sakit. Mayroon akong 800 aso na nagbabantay sa aking mga tupa, bukod pa sa 200 nagbabantay sa aking tahanan. Dami. 200 babantay sa tahanan. Laki ng bahay nito. Meron akong 9 na gilingan na naglilingkod sa buong lungsod, at mga sasakyang pandagat na nagdadala ng kalakal. Ipinamahagi ko ang mga ito sa bawat lungsod at nayon upang makatulong sa mahihina, may sakit at kapuspalan. Meron akong 340,000 asno, 500 sa mga ito ay itinalaga ko. Ang kanilang mga anak ay pinagbili. Hello po? Hello?
Continue na po kayo, Kahan Joff. Opo.
Akala ko. Sorry po. Narinig kasi ako. Akala ko ako. Sige po, continue po natin. Meron akong 340,000 asno. 500 sa mga ito ay tinalaga ko, at kanilang mga anak ay pinagbili, at ang kinita ay binigay ko sa mahihirap mula